If you sit at a computer a lot, I'll bet you your semispinalis capitis and your semispinalis cervicus are killing you, and you don't even know what they are. Well, you're going to find out. My name is Dr. Story. I'm a chiropractor. I've been a chiropractor for over 23 years. I'm going to give you realistic advice based on my experience, stuff that you can use. So these are muscles that are in our neck that are probably causing you a tremendous amount of pain. You don't even know it. Most people understand or think of the trapezius muscle because that's the muscle they know. But most people don't know about the semispinalis capitis and the semispinalis cervicus, but these are often the number one muscle, the go-to muscle that I find as causing pain in the neck. And I'm going to show you exactly how to stretch them. So the first thing you want to do is you want to sit up nice and straight. Now how you stretch these muscles is what you're going to have to do is imagine your back is up against the wall and you're going to try to flatten your neck up against that wall. Now the first thing that you have to do is you have to push your chin straight into your neck as if you're trying to create a double chin. So it's not enough to just stretch before you do that. What you have to do is actually pull the chin in. So you're going to pull the chin straight in as if you're lengthening the back of the head. So it would look essentially like this. And once you're in that position, you're going to maintain that posture as you do the next phase of the stretch. So step one, pull the chin straight in. Step two, you're going to now try to roll your neck forward as if you're trying to touch your chin down to this little notch above the sternum. So you pull the chin in and roll it down. And what you're going to do is feel a tremendous stretch in the center and the back of your neck. That's what you're aiming for. Now, at the end, when your chin is touching your sternum, what you're going to do is you're going to slightly turn to the left or slightly turn to the right, but you're going to maintain the chin close to the sternum. You're not going to lift it off. That's a common mistake that I see patients doing, and it does take there is a learning curve. It does take patients time to learn how to do this. Very often I'm holding their head and keeping their chin right here, but this is YouTube, so I can't do that for you. So step one, pull the chin in. Step two, roll it down all the way to the sternum. And then step three, try to look to the left and look to the right. You'll get a tremendous stretch in your neck, and it's going to feel different than other stretches that you'll see. And I'm willing to bet that this is going to help your neck. So if you thought this video was interesting, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Any questions? Leave them in the comments section below.